Welcome back to the Forge. We are looking at the next evolution of generative video. This is Seedance 2.0, and it's bringing some serious heat to the table. Check out this one-click video recreation. You give it a single sentence, and it reconstructs the scene. For those of us building automated content pipelines, this captures style and structure instantly, skipping hours of manual editing. This is the feature that changes the game. Unified multi-input control. You can feed it up to 12 assets, images, video, audio, and the engine threads them together. If you're trying to build consistent AI characters for a brand, this keeps them stable no matter how chaotic the scene gets. We're also seeing frame-level precision. Look at the lighting and texture details here. Every object stays locked. This solves that flickering problem we used to see in older models. But for storytelling, this is what matters. Multi-camera control. It generates new storylines with natural shot connections. The character movements and camera angles stay in sync with the audio. This is crucial if you are trying to create long-form narrative content without it looking disjointed. For high-octane stuff, Seedance 2.0 uses high-impact motion scenes. It's calculating realistic body dynamics and collisions. So if you need martial arts or complex stunts, the physics actually make sense. It doesn't just morph into a blob. They've already scaled to over 15 million users, so the data set is massive. Now, let's look at this challenger. This is Kling 3.0. They are branding this as the era of the AI director. Kling is doubling down on cinematic control. It features enhanced audio generation for character-specific voices and multi-shot narratives. It automatically handles the camera transitions and dialogue patterns, acting like a virtual director. The big upgrade here is extended cinematic pacing. We aren't stuck with short, jittery clips anymore. It supports full narrative arcs up to 15 seconds without losing temporal coherence. We are going to watch 3 demos. The first one, the Shadow Assassin, is generated by Kling 3.0. The following 2, the Dragon and the Council, are from Seedance 2.0. Let's watch the output.
Assassin! Assassin!
You there! Go on now. This is the King's chambers. But what are you waiting for? What are you? I'm sorry. Tell my brother. He must find the most important words a man can say.
我是找你们来谈判的。
区区一个人还敢跟我谈判？
我有一样东西，或许你们会重新考虑你说的话。
你该不会说的是？
We have no choice.
choice!
The plan must be initiated.
We are ready.
One before Justinius?
What's that what?
We need more time.
And risk the lives of billions, we need more time.
That was impressive. That dragon sequence from Seedance 2.0 shows just how far we've come. Kling was also amazing, but I think we know who the winner is. Here is the Seedance interface. If you want to deploy this yourself, it's straightforward. The killer feature here is reference anything. See this? You can upload a viral clip and the AI will rip the camera movement, the effects, or the scene composition and apply it to your asset. It's the ultimate shortcut for high-level production value. It creates superior consistency across the board. Lighting, clothing, text, everything stays locked. If you want to stop just watching these tools and start actually building with them, you need to join the AI Money Forge. I'm dropping full blueprints, code, and strategies on how to build autonomous AI employees and automate your entire workflow. The community is completely free right now, but the first 100 spots are filling up extremely fast. Do not wait on this. Click the link in the description, join the Forge, and let's start building your empire. Stop renting AI and start owning it.